of those are, and so from there, it's just a matter of labeling them, okay? All of them are equal except for what? All of them are equal except for what? Okay, so same side is the only one. Okay, so all these are equal. So you know, so when we start doing some of these, all these are equal except for same side interior, which I didn't even put on this one. Okay, so if we look at 29, what kind of angles are those? All interior. So they're going to be an AI. Okay, 31. Name the relationship. Okay, and I do got to put a little extra note in here. Complementary, okay, is going to add to 90 degrees. Linear pair adds to 180 degrees. Okay, all the other ones are the same. Okay, so 31. What kind of angles are those? Vertical. Okay, they're across from each other. Okay, they're vertical. Okay, adjacent is right next to each other. Okay.
Number 30.
Huh?
Number 30.
I'm not doing number 30. I never do that side. Okay, 33. Find the measure of angle B. Okay, so those make a straight line, and a straight line is 180 degrees. So it's going to be 180 minus 65. What is that going to give you? 115. Okay, so B is 115. Okay, 35. What kind of angles are those? Oh, they're all interior, and all interior are equal to each other. So you're going to say one side equals the other side. So 10x plus 10 equals the other side, which is 120. Okay, so what needs done? Minus 10 from both sides. So we get 10x equals 110. And then we need to divide by 10. So we get x equals 11. Okay, 37. What kind of angles are those? Corresponding. Okay, so they're corresponding. So corresponding ones are equal, so we can set them equal to each other. So we can say 4x plus 3 equals 87. Okay, so what needs done first? Minus 3 from both sides. So I get 4x equals 84. And then what?
Divide by 4.
Divide by 4.
21.
You said 21?
Yeah. So it's the only one that's not equal same size, right?
Yep, same side is going to be 180.
My handwriting? No, it's not. No, it's not. Better than his.
I'll take it.
Okay, 39 is reflections. Okay, you need to reflect it across the x equals 1. Okay, so x equals 1 is going to be right here. Okay, and then if you recall, how many times would you have to move from the x to get to the blue line? 1. Okay, so if this one goes 1, then we go 1 on the other side. So this is going to be my new x prime. Okay, what about for the y? How many times would I have to move? 2. So we got 1, 2. So 1, 2. This is my y prime. And for the w, how many times do I have to move? 0. It stays there. Okay. Okay, so that's my new picture. Okay, 41 is about translations. I need to go to the right 2 units and 1 unit down. So every down, I'm going to go to the right 2 and down 1. Okay, so that's going to be my new v prime. Right 2, 1, 2, down 1. W and the u. Right 2, down 1.
Huh? I have 100.
Okay, 43. Okay, for the translations, if it is for the x, if it's a plus, I'm going to the right. If it's a plus, I'm going to the right. If it's a minus, I'm going left. Okay, for the y, if it's a plus, I'm going up. If it's a minus, I'm going down. Okay, so this one says go what way and what way?
Left, down,
Left 1 and down 1 for each dot. Okay, so we're going to go left 1 and down 1. So this is going to be my new H. Left 1, down 1. This is going to be my new G. Left 1, down 1. This is going to be my new I. Okay, 45. You need to find the coordinate for all of them. Okay, it's going to be the starters. Okay, so for S, okay, R, and then T, we're going to have to find the coordinate for starters. So when are we going to have a negative?
left or down.
When we go left or down. Okay, so on the S, we go left 1, so -1, and up 2, so a +2. Okay, for the R, we go to the right 2, so +2, and then down 1, so -1. And then for t, I go left 1, so -1, and down 2, so -2. Okay, so after we find the coordinates, you're going to multiply every single coordinate by 1.5. Okay, so all of these you need to multiply by 1.5.
You like right there.
Yeah. So what is -1 times 1.5? -1.5. Or 2 times 1.5. What is 2 times 1.5? 3? Okay, after you kind of got this, because all the numbers are same, but the signs are a little bit different, you can kind of just figure out the rest. Okay, so this is a +2, so what is it going to be? 3. Hey, this is a -1, so what's it going to be?
1.5.
-1.5. Okay, a -1 is going to be -1.5. And what about this one? Is a -2? -3. Okay, and so now it's ready to be graphed, okay, with our new points. Okay, so, and realistically, can I tell exactly where 1.5 is at?
No.
No, so you're gonna have to guess. Your picture cannot even look exactly like my picture because it's not gonna happen. Okay, so we got -1.5. And then 3. 1, 2, 3. So somewhere here. Okay, 3, 1, 2, 3, and -1.5 is gonna be somewhere here. And t is going to be -1.5, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 47. How many degrees are in a triangle?
180.
180. Okay, so we're going to say 180 minus 135 minus 20.
125.
125?
Oh, I did do 135.
25.
25?
Yeah.
Okay, 49. Okay, we're going to say, what's that square mean? 90, so it's going to be 90 plus 45 plus 3x plus 9 equals 180. Okay, who can get combined?
The 9 and the 45.
The 9, the 45, and the 90. So what is 90 plus 45 plus 9? 90 plus 45 plus 9. 144 plus 3x equals 180. Okay, and then what needs done? What do we have to do next? Look at it. Minus 144. So I got 3x equals, what is 180 minus 144? 36. Okay, and then what needs done? Divide by 3. So we get x equals what? 12.
Sorry. What's the?
oatmeal in that? Smells like oatmeal.
You might as well.
Smells like oatmeal. Maybe like the brown sugar oatmeal. Okay, 51, we can go ahead and combine everything on the inside, so 23 plus 3, it's gonna be 26x. Okay, and then what is 2 plus 2 plus 20? 24 equals 180. Okay, so then what needs done? Minus 24 from both sides. So I got 26x. What is 180 minus 24? 156. Okay. Then what? Where is it?
I thought it was in bed.
It is not in the bed. Do you want to go look in your locker?
Who's this?
It's mine.
Okay, cool. My bad. Yeah, probably my last one.
Just leave the door cracked. It's what?
6.
6? Okay, do we stop or keep going?
Keep going.
We gotta keep going. Okay, and it says find for A. Which one is A?
3x plus 2.
3x plus 2. Okay, so it's gonna say A is 3x plus 2, so it's gonna be 3, 6 plus 2. What is 3 times 6 plus 2? 20. Almost done. The rest are fairly easy. Okay, 53. I went ahead and labeled 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. I like the 1, 2, 3 method. If you don't, that's fine. Okay, so they want you to find NLM is congruent to what? What matches up to N on the first one? 3, which is 3 on the other one is P. Okay, so P. What about L? L matches up to L. M is Q. What are you doodling today? I know, come on, almost done.
Wait, I messed up.
Flip the page. Okay, 55. What does D match up to?
D is R.
R. What does B match up to? B. Okay, 57. What does N match up to? N matches up to U. Okay, 59 says mark all the angles and the sides. Okay, so I do that 1, 2, 3 method, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so the angles are definitely easier to do. So I gets 1, G gets 2, H is going to get 3. Okay, for that first triangle. Okay, for triangle 2, I is going to get 1, G is going to get 2, X is going to get 3.
Okay.
kids, I use that little note, so spot 1 and 2 are gonna get a 1 side marker. Spots 2 and 3 are gonna get 2 side markers, and who's ever left gets the 3 side markers. So who's in spot 1 and 2 on the first one? On this one, who's in spot 1, 2? IG, so he's gonna get 1. Okay, who's in spot 1, 2 on the second one? IG, it's because they're the same line, so we only need to mark it once. Okay, who's in spot 2, 3 on the first one? GH, so he's gonna get a 2 marker. Okay, who's in spot 2, 3 on the second one? GX, so he's gonna get a 2 marker. Okay, and then the last guy gets how many? 3. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and last one, 61, it wants us to write a congruent statement for the triangle. Okay, we start out with rainbow 1. Okay, which is who? What should it be? F, then who?
G.
G, E, good. Is congruent to triangle what? What about for the second one? F, T, U.